Yes. Okay.
What up? My name is Oriel. And sorry about that. We're gonna have to make this a part 2 now. A 2-part video.
Yeah, we told stuff.
Sorry, guys. It's her fault. She's a dumbass. So where were we? We had just kind of frozen the day.
Ooh, I'm going.
Talk louder. Hi, guys. Hi.
Okay. Louder. Hi guys, today I'm playing the Way of Life. I don't know what part this is, but I don't care. This is technically part 7. But it's also not really hard to play the Way of Life. That makes me feel bad.
It's part -11.
Now play. Okay, wait.
Also,
Okay. So you know what? Name.
yes, and then we'll watch famous again. I mean, baby. Baby older. No, not there. Those are like the people who work. That's not on you. Now I'm gonna watch some quality YouTube entertainment, which is not myself, because that's true.
You even said it. What am I doing here? Okay, guys, so I'm gonna. You can talk. Okay. Okay. Model the sign. The sign! Oh my gosh. Hey, everybody. No. I'm lost. I'm lost. Yes.
Sorry. Why keep telling my story?
I'm lost. I want to go.
What did you do? Oh, so this is another place that you're not supposed to be. I'm just gonna put you on a level, okay?
No, suck a level.
Well, then what are you doing? I'm gonna put her in something that earlier.
What do we do?
From the
I've
video.
never been in a video before. I don't know what to do. You might have the key, but if you don't find the right door, it will be useless. Okay. I feel weaker every day. Is it because of my sickness? So I think basically you're sick, guys. Because maybe something happened to them. I never played this game, so I don't know. Okay, so maybe we have to go to this door right here. Click on it. Or maybe that's the person that's playing is chicken number 1. I'm not chicken number 1. Yes, I'm Moco numero 2. Numero 2. Oh, I think we're supposed to click on the window. No, we're not. Yes, we are. Oh my god. And I'm going to outside. How do you get?
This is a boring video. Make it better.
So, guys, I don't know how to get out of this bed, guys. I don't know. Can you help me get out of the bed? Oh.
We did this earlier, guys. We should remember this. My tame trusty can't leave without it. Did not do that earlier. You're fine. Sorry, this is fear, death, sickness. You're about to see death. You have to run away and not.
No for reals?
In the day, death.
Oh no. I'm not prepared for this, guys. I don't know about any death. I'm barely like 9 years old. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Death is coming for me. Okay, I don't know. Oh my god. Click on him. Click on him. Defeat him. I don't know what to do, guys. Stop. Don't hit me, please. Don't hit me, please. Please, please, please. Yo. It even has a creepy. It's over. Yeah, had to surrender. My time is over. Okay, guys, I think he got us. I'm dead. Oh no, did I die? Where MJ?
Am I?
Am I dead? I'm so scared. I thought that was a J, guys. This might be our end. Well, that was all. That was all. Guess I passed the level.
Oh, you failed totally.
But I did?
Let me eat.
That's what I did earlier.
But anyways, guys, I think that'll wrap up both parts of this sort of, I guess you could call it a series with my sister Chocolate Chip. That's your name from now on. Would you like to say anything?
Yeah. Okay, guys, so I heard that we're at 16 subs. I want you to get to 30, guys. Come on, we could do this. Get to 30.
Okay, that's all good. Don't ask for subs. That's the first rule of YouTube.
Please, guys, get to 30. Get to 30.
But anyways, that's gonna wrap out this video. No, it takes like 2 or 3 hours to upload.
Well, that sucks.
And I might not upload it till tomorrow.
Okay, guys, so he's a puss. Sorry, guys.
Anyways, I would like to say bye. I remember what I told you earlier. I do now have an intro. I am working on figuring out how to write that to different videos. And once I do, nothing will change. You'll just have an intro at the beginning of every video.
Bye, guys.
Oh, yeah. So, anyways, I would like to say bye. What would you like to say?
Peace out, guys. Stay cool. Stay wise.
Good for you.
Eat Oreos, guys. Eat Oreos. They're good.
Okay, now